Hey, welcome back to Dutch Chat Builds. My name is Jerome. This is a small episode in the Daily Rider series, I think, or any series for that matter. It's all about the battery and a little gadget, which is this. Now this is a little gizmo, which may help you or may not, but I think it's pretty cool. I found this device because of my car. I have a Kia e-Niro, and for some reason people had problems with their battery. And not that lithium big one that runs the car, but there's also a normal car battery in there for the radio and the lights and stuff like that. For some reason the battery died on them, the car battery, and people started putting in these to monitor their car battery. And the coolest about this is that this is on Bluetooth, but you can use this in a car, but also you can use this on a motorcycle like this, so you can look at the state of your battery on your phone, which is, well, I think it's pretty cool. Do you need it? Not really. Is it cool? Yeah, I think it is, maybe in between. And I'll show you how it works. Now, this gizmo is called a BM2 Battery Monitor, and I will put a link in the description where you can find this. There's several places you can find them, but I'll put one in. It doesn't help me in any way. It may just help you, but anyway, it's not really expensive. I can't remember the price really. It was about 12 euros, 15 euros. I don't know, can't remember. Something like that. Anyway, you can get this from that website, and you have to scan this QR code, which is over here, with your phone, and it will bring you to the Google Store or the App Store, and you can download the app, and I will show you that right here. So I'll just walk you through this step by step. Once you've bought this little device, all you have to do is go to, well, I'm using an iPhone, but probably on an Android phone it works the same. Just scan this, and there you go. Now this is a very old iPhone I use for music in the shed, but really it doesn't really matter. Since this is really old and it's working, that's pretty cool, I think. I've already downloaded it before, of course, so I'll just download it again. And it's a battery monitor BM2, as you can see. Now I've got this new battery for the Honda while this is downloading. A motorbike, I've got a gel battery. This is really heavy. I didn't go for a lithium because I have a lot of troubles with those. And I'm not going for like a super lightweight thing. I just want to keep it, well, fairly original. And this is just a bit better than the acid one that's in the Honda right now. So we're going to replace this after I've done this. I just want to show you that. All right, so open that battery monitor. Only one, searching device. Allow. Okay, so it can't find anything because it needs the power from the battery to work. So I'll just do that real quick. So it should have power now. And there we go. It's found it already. As you can see, it's got this. It used to be like red when it's got no connection. Now it's blue. So it's connected to the battery. This battery is now 1307 volts. And it really works. Of course, this one is charged already. But you can see that here, how much it's charging and what time it is. Especially if it keeps reminding, if it's connected to this battery, it remembers stuff. So as soon as you go back to this app, it'll tell you what and not. Now, this cranking voltage is empty right now. I think this will only work as soon as you put it in the bike and start trying to start the engine. And it will give you some data to see if the cranking voltage in your battery is sufficient to start your bike. And this is something I've been having a lot of troubles with the lithium batteries, that there's voltage in there to run lights, but not enough to start the motorcycle. And you can do some sort of testing as well. I'll do that later when I've got this in the Honda. And it's got like a trip feature as well. Well, we haven't ridden or done anything with it, but The cool thing is you can see this on Bluetooth, so you can bury this inside the motorcycle. Just leave it there. It will only draw a short amount of power, so that will not be any problem. And you can also put in like notifications, stuff like that, to show you, to tell you, oh, your battery's in trouble or it's discharging too much. So yeah, that's this little device. I think it was pretty cool. I'm gonna put this in the Honda right now, but this may help you or may not. But anyway, I thought I would share this with you. So this is the Honda, my daily rider from, well, hopefully in a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks. Not more than that, I hope. First thing I have to do is take out the original battery. This is dead. It's got not the voltage anymore. The owner I bought this from already mentioned that. Problem with the carb and the battery was just too weak. It's still strong enough to start the engine anymore, and it's not charging as well. So we're going to take this out and then put in the other one with the monitor as well. Well, this is a pretty big and heavy battery, this one, and the other one I got as well. But I'm not looking for weight loss or anything like that, like with the Cafe Racer or saving space. I want to ride this thing. And maybe even keep it original. But these are just... These are not the best products, I guess. Let's have a look inside. This thing looks pretty rough. Now I'll take it apart and paint everything and powder coat everything. I'm not going to do that. I want to ride this thing, so I'm just going to leave it as is. Just get it running. Now this little tube, when you got one of these old batteries, there's like gas coming up in here, and it needs to escape. It's got this little overflow over here, and that's where this little tube goes. But with the gel battery, you don't have that problem. So we can remove this. And that's one less thing to worry about. Alright. Fits nicely. Actually, perfectly. So put that back. Alright, it's nice and snug. Negative first. Putting it on top of the this one, so I know the bike it's got a good ground with the battery, so that's important. I kind of twisted it already. You'll see why in a minute. Put this one here, positive. There we go. Make sure it's nice and tight. Obviously this doesn't fit anymore, but I can wiggle it in. I thought I'd twist this like so. It doesn't really matter what position it's in. And that's it. Should be able to put this back where it belongs. There we go. And that is sorted. Now comes the cool part. You can leave this.
Right. Get this. Oh, you need it? Okay.
There it is. Battery monitor. Switching device. Connecting. Alright. There it goes. Because you could turn blue over here. And now you've got a connection with the battery down here. So you don't have to take away anything. You don't have to put like a charger on it or something. You can see on your phone, well, this battery is brand new, so it's 100%. I think it's pretty cool. It's like a bit of tech without getting too complicated. And you can use this with an M unit or the X21 as well, doesn't really matter. Or you can just keep it with this. Yeah, looks pretty cool. So Battery Monitor 2, link in the description, and that's it. And that is this for this episode on my daily rider. Show it to you again. I replaced the battery and I put in this cool battery monitor just for fun. But the first new thing is on the motorcycle. So I guess next part is gonna be either this or this. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. See you on the next episode. My name is Jerome. Got other series as well. Got GS450 Mark 1, Mark 2. Check those out. And I've got another Honda CX, but that isn't. I need a lot of work on that. But anyway, and I'll also build stuff, DIY builds. Yeah, check those out. Please leave a comment, leave a like. Really helps out. And yeah, see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.